Okay, so, hi. I hope, anyways, I'm taking this down today. And I've already shut off the breaker and I double checked to make sure the electricity was done. So now we're gonna do this. And I came up first thing to try to figure out what tools I need. So first thing I need is to take off the globe, which is a Phillips. Much better. Try not to fall off the ladder. Or hit your head again. There we go. First thing done. Okay, so the first thing I recommend, always make sure all the electricity is shut off. Double check everything. Second, prepare ahead of time with tools. Have every random tool you can think of you might need right there with you so you don't have to run back and forth. Third, figure out ahead of time where you're going to put all the crap that you take down from the ceiling. Okay? So we've got the globe and the light bulb off. Next, I'm thinking I'm going to take the blades off. I'd like to take them off with a drill. I think it'd be easier, be quicker, but I don't think it'd be easier. Just for the fact that I would have to hold the drill up at this weird angle and hold the blades too. Also, when you take the blades off, do them opposite of each other, like I did on this side. So now I'm going to do one from the other side, because if not, it's going to wobble so much. It's going to be a big pain in the arse. And I think I can take 2 blades off at a time. Oh, something else I just realized. When you take this crap off, don't have it right above your head, because then the crap gets in your eyes. And then you're blinking like a stupid person. Oh, come on. Thank you. So I'm going to take the rest of these blades off. I just put the cats back in the house because I'm nervous about this section. I don't want like thing falling on them, and so the younger cat's staring at the door like, what the hell, dude? Wonder, you know what? I did not. That's a Phillips. Oh, that at least worked. I'm not sure if that worked good or bad, but it worked. There's another screw somewhere. I'm very nervous about the way this is hanging. See how they're hanging? It's hanging scary. Okay, so I'm going to take all this down. Because it's making me nervous. I'm only going to go up with the Phillips. And I'm also going to move the ladder a little bit, so if the ceiling fan falls, hopefully it doesn't fall on me. I was going to say, please, please, please prepare yourself. Okay. Okay. Ta-da! We did it. There's wire nuts. Everything's colored. Yay, that's what we want to see. Because you know the rules. If the wires aren't colored, Maggie, don't do it. Then I pretend it never happened. And if the wires are colored, then I can match up colors. But if the wires aren't colored, I can't do it. Okay. Oh, come on. That's heavy. Okay. So start to finish, to take it down, 20 minutes. Okay, so this is up close, the wires. So I should be, because I'm going to hang just a light here, so but that'll be another video. So I'm going hopefully be able to match everything up just with these wires. I'm going to clean it and paint the ceiling around it, and then I'll do the light. Oh. Whew. Thank you for watching me. So yeah, so that's going to be a video on how to take a ceiling fan down when you're a wimpy grandma. I will do another video on how to put a light up after you took a ceiling fan down. And my goal is to keep the videos 10 minutes or less, because I realize that we all don't have time for that. So talk to you later.